Who hit the club and his cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we might get a deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got an idea. Oh yeah.
Okay guys, welcome back. I have a few packages from Shein, as you guys can see from the description, and there's a nighttime or nightgowns that Shein sent me. I got them in my favorite color, as you guys can see, and okay, these are sets. First one that I got, which is my most favorite color ever, which is teal. This is it right here. All of these are silk. They have the collars on them. I got these in a size small because we do not want them baggy. They come with buttons and also pockets that you can use. This is them. And they're really thick. They don't feel like the cheap silk. And it has this detailing of the white on the arms and in the front by the buttons. And this is the shorts for it. And the shorts is elastic in the waist, and I got this in a small, of course, because it comes in a set. And I like the detailing to the bottom as well. The other one I got is like this peaches off-white color. I like the detailing of the heart on this one, and the detailing around the neck in the black, and also the black buttons. This one has pockets also, pockets as well, and the buttons. These just give, like, I just like these color shirts. And you know where I see people wearing these a lot? For their honeymoons, I think. The brides will wear these for their honeymoons. For bachelorette. I think it's bachelorette, is it? Yeah. And this is the elastic in the waistbands with the detailing around the thighs, the legs I should say, right before they get married. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, you know, like what females do and men do. I don't remember. The party before the wedding. Yeah, the night before the wedding. I can't remember what that's called. But here's the other one. This one is so gorgeous. Like, you see this color? Do you see this color? And then it has the black detailing around the neck and where the buttons is at. And there's also, I think all three of them have the hearts on it. The detailing of the black heart and on the arms. And then this one is elastic in the waist as well. And then this is the bottom of it, with the detailing around the thighs piece. You guys, sorry to say, but that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up this video if you like it. Thumbs down this video if you don't like it. But just remember, we just don't care. Leave your comments below. Let me know which other videos that you want to see. And see you in the next video.
What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me.